In this video, I'm talking about microfiber towels and more related to if you've ever leveled a ceramic coating, right? And you used the wrong towel. Well, you already know the heartbreak. Streaks, high spots, or worse, a little fiber stuck in the coating as it flashes. So today I want to talk about the towels I actually reach for when I'm doing coating work. Right here, the Edgeless Pearl from the Rag Company. And if you take anything away from this video, check out the Rag Company because, man, there's a lot to know about microfiber towels, and this company carries them all. We'll cover what makes them different, what 320 GSM on the label actually means, and the part everyone gets wrong. How to tell a truly lint-free towel apart from your everyday wash and clean rags. So let's get into it. So these are the Edgeless Pearl. Right off the bat, here are the specs that matter. They're a 16 by 16 inch towel in 80-20 polyester polyamide blend, and they come at 320 GSM. Now the Rag Company packs over 380,000 fibers into every square inch. And the whole thing is built around what they call a closed loop pearl weave. Yeah, I mean, that's a lot. That pearl weave is the whole point. It's a short nap, tight surface, not a big fluffy plush towel. And that's by design. For leveling a coating, you don't want something thick and thirsty. You want a towel that has a little bit of bite to grab the excess product, but still glides so you're not dragging or bunching as it flashes off. The pearl threads that needle really well, and notice the name, Edgeless. Yeah, no sewn border and no tag. We'll come back to why that matters a lot in a minute. Okay, so let's clear up the number everybody sees and nobody explains. GSM. GSM stands for grams per square meter. That's it. It's literally a weight measurement. Take a 1 meter by 1 meter square of the fabric and weigh it. That number of grams it weighs is its GSM. So what does that tell you in the real world? Well, GSM is basically a proxy for how thick, dense, and plush a towel is. A higher GSM towel is heavier, thicker, and more absorbent. Think of those big chunky drying towels that are like 1,000 GSM and up. A lower GSM towel is thinner and lighter. Here's the thing people get wrong, though. Higher GSM is not automatically better. It's just different, and the right number depends on the job. A big plush drying towel wants a high GSM, like 1,000 plus, because you want it to soak up a ton of water, right? A coating leveling towel like this Pearl is intentionally in the mid-range, around 320. You don't want it thick and absorbent for this job. You want a thinner, denser, short nap surface that buffs the excess coating off evenly without holding onto the product or leaving texture behind, right? So when you see 320 GSM on the Edgeless Pearl, that's not them cutting a corner, no. That's the correct weight for what this towel is supposed to do. It's dense enough to have grip and bite, thin enough to glide and stay in control. Now back to that edgeless thing, because for coating work, this is huge. A lot of cheap microfiber towels have a sewn-on polyester border around the edge. That border is harder, scratchier, plastic Y material, and it's the #1 cause of marring when you're working on soft, fresh paint or curing coating. Right there, that edge. It can leave swirls and can drag through a coating you just laid down. The Edgeless Pearl has no sewn border, no tag. The edges are ultrasonically cut and sealed. So there's nothing hard to scratch the surface, nothing to snag, and no tag to accidentally drag across your coatings. Bonus, no wasted real estate. Man, you know, you're going to be going through a lot of these towels. All right, this is the part I really want you to take away from this video because it's the most misunderstood thing in microfiber. How do you actually get a lint-free towel versus a regular towel for washing and cleaning? First, understand where lint comes from. Lint is just loose fiber shredding off the towel. There are basically three sources. One, the edges. The cheap sewn borders fray over time and shed fibers. Edgeless construction like the Pearl kills that source of lint entirely. That's the reason, number one, they are sold as lint-free, right? Lint-free, man. Two, the weave. This is a big one. A closed loop weave like the Pearl weave on these towels means the loops are locked and don't have a bunch of loose fiber ends sticking up to shred. Compare that to a big fluffy terry or twisted loop plush towel where the fibers are long and open. Those plush towels are amazing for soaking up water, but the longer, looser nap is exactly what sheds the lint. So short, tight, closed loop weave equals low lint. Long, fluffy, open nap equals more lint. 3, how is it blended and finished? A higher quality blend with a higher polyamide content tends to be more durable and shed less. Cheaper low-grade microfiber sheds more right out of the gate. So here's the practical breakdown. For coatings, leveling, sealant removal, glass, and final wipe downs, anywhere a single stray fiber ruins your work. You want a lint-free, edgeless, short nap, closed loop towel like the Edgeless Pearl. The whole job is about leaving a perfect surface behind for general washing, cleaning, wash mitts, drying, wiping down door jambs, cleaning wheels, soaking up spills. Lint generally doesn't matter much, right? You can use those cheaper, plusher, fluffier towels there. In fact, you want thick, absorbent stuff for driving. Save your premium lint-free towels for the work that actually needs them, and don't waste them on dirty grunt work jobs, right? A quick pro move, keep your towel color coded or sort by job. So a wheel towel never ends up touching your paint. That alone will save you a lot of swirls. All right, even the best towel turns into a linty, scratchy mess if you wash it wrong. So real quick, how to take care of these. Machine wash cold or warm. The Rag Company's own guidance is to wash cold for longevity. Never use fabric softener. This is a big one. Softener coats the fibers and clogs them up, which kills the grab and makes the towel useless for coating work. No bleach or bleach alternative detergents. Use a microfiber specific wash or a clean additive-free detergent. Low or no heat or hang dry. High heat melts and damages the fibers over time. And wash your microfiber towels separately from your cotton and regular laundry because cotton sheds into microfiber and then, man, you got lint again. So do that and these will last hundreds of washes. I'm not kidding. And honestly, the Pearl weave gets softer the more you wash it. So to wrap it up, the Edgeless Pearl is a 320 GSM, edgeless, closed loop, Pearl weave towel that's purpose-built for leveling coatings. And that mid-range GSM and short nap are features, not shortcuts. So just remember, GSM is just grams per square meter. They measure a weight and density. And you match it to the job rather than always chasing the biggest number. And the secret to lint-free isn't magic, man. It's edgeless construction, a tight closed loop weave, a quality blend, and washing them the right way. Save those for your coatings and glass, and let your cheaper plush towels handle the dirty work. I'll drop a link to these towels and the detergent down in the description. If this helped you out, man, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want more detailing breakdowns like this one. I'll catch you on the next one.